Investing in real estate involves purchasing properties with the goal of generating income or building wealth over time. Here's a simplified guide to investing in real estate. Educate yourself. Start by learning about different real estate investment strategies, property types, financing options, and market trends. Books, online resources, and real estate investment seminars can provide valuable insights. Set investment goals. Define your investment objectives, such as generating rental income, flipping properties for a profit, or building long-term wealth through property appreciation. Secure financing. Determine how you will finance your real estate investments. Options include conventional mortgages, private loans, hard money loans, or using your own capital. Find properties. Identify potential investment properties that align with your investment goals and budget. Conduct thorough research, analyze market conditions, and perform due diligence before making an offer. Purchase properties. Once you find suitable properties, negotiate the purchase price, conduct inspections, and finalize the purchase through escrow. Manage properties. If you're investing in rental properties, manage them effectively by finding tenants, collecting rent, handling maintenance and repairs, and staying compliant with landlord-tenant laws. Monitor and adjust. Regularly review your real estate portfolio, track performance metrics, and adjust your investment strategy as needed to maximize returns and mitigate risks.